the condition of insulating oil, both in storage and in service, has to be monitored. So it's necessary to take samples for testing. If the results of these tests are to be really meaningful, the samples must reflect accurately the condition of the oil under consideration. Any moisture, dirt, or fibers accidentally picked up during sampling will not only invalidate the test, they may also contaminate the body of the oil that's being sampled. So the utmost care is vital.
It is important to ensure that the valve from which the sample is to be drawn is properly flushed. This will prevent debris lodged in and around the valve from finding its way into the sample. To avoid this happening, at least a bucketful should be run off before filling the sample bottle. Before drawing the actual sample, the bottle should be rinsed 2 or 3 times with the oil that is to be sampled. Once a continuous steady flow has been achieved, do not readjust the valve because this might release trapped contaminants. Again, try to minimize aeration. When the sample has been drawn, rinse the bottle cap before putting it on. Remember to leave sufficient airspace to allow for temperature expansion of the sample. Before considering any sampling operation complete, the oil in the bottle should be examined by holding it up to the light and inverting. This should be done as gently as possible to limit aeration and turbulence. Air bubbles will be seen rising. Any bubbles that fall may merely be caught in turbulence, or they may actually be droplets of water. If any water or particles of dirt are observed at this stage, take another sample to ensure that the first is truly representative of the body of the oil. There is no point in testing samples with visible free water or polluting an electric strength test cell with oil that is obviously contaminated. If you can see that it's contaminated, you don't need to test it. Finally, a label should be securely attached to the sample bottle, not only to identify it, but also to record any other information which may be useful in interpreting test results.